SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Sharplink Gaming stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And it's the only person in this space that has actually done this for 43,000 videos. I have seen what's printing and what's not. This is just pumping, and I had this craziest feeling yesterday where, I was looking to double down. I mean, we're just 20% up the next day. I didn't buy here because my rules were never met, but the idea was very on point. So how this chart looking like is that it's just, I'm very open-minded for buys. I'm still looking to double down on this, and how that will look like is if it pulls down and shows me some sort of a shift, then you bet I'm looking to take it further up. But like randomly buying mate will just not be happening. With SBET, I've got like 16 results, which is solid, not the best, not the worst, but like I said, just randomly buying will not be the way that I'll be doing things. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.